Montgomery Tower, Cherokee 9082 uniform is Cowles Mountain inbound. Stop and go if possible with information kilo.
Cherokee 9082 uniform, Montgomery Tower, make straight and runway 28 right, squawk 0400.
Make straight in 28 right, squawk 0400, Cherokee 82 uniform.
Montgomery Tower, helicopter Mercer 100 on the bay.
Okay, you see the runway over there?
Contact SoCal 124,
yeah, I got
35.
So you want to go this way and then go to a 28.
Cherokee 82 uniform, unable stop and go. All other options approved. Runway 28 right, and same intentions to follow.
We'll depart eastbound.
Roger that. We'll do touch and go and depart eastbound, Cherokee 82 uniform.
Cherokee 82 uniform, roger on the go. Right down departure approved.
Good. So you see the airport? Let's get down to 1,500 feet.
All right.
It's very hard to see, isn't it? Do you see the rotating beacon?
Yes.
All right, good. You see the runway?
Yeah.
See the rabbits leading to it?
Yep.
Good. When you're straight out from the runway, this will center. This is the ILS.
Uh-huh.
So that'll center, you know, it's a glide slope or a localizer that leads you right to the runway.
All right.
And this glide slope takes you right down to within 200 feet of the runway when it's centered this way. So it's telling you to fly down. It's telling you you're a little bit high right now.
All right.
You're high and to the right, but just watch the runway.
Yeah.
If your landing light is not on, turn it on. Do your pre-landing check.
All right.
In case we never turned off the fuel pump, did we?
No.
Okay, good.
Before landing, seatbelts locked, fuel pump on, fuel selector confirmed, pulse tank, make sure rich landing light on. Go ahead and check our fuel tank here. We're still on the left.
And then we better head back home pretty darn quick because the clouds are moving in.
Okay.
See them?
Yeah, I got them coming in. And I've got them right next to us too.
So the runway end is past those lights, you know, the sets of lights. Let's see, where's the runway? Yeah, you can see better than I can.
So we have a displaced threshold here, and those lights that I'm centered on are...
Well, you know, honestly, I'm not sure. I think that...
It has
the runway end is the green right there.
Wind 2805, altimeter 2996.
Okay, get all of your flaps in?
All flaps are in.
Right on the localizer, or you're right on glide slope? And that's a VASI on the other side.
Yeah. Get it just a little to the right here. There we go.
Good pitch. Getting low, add a low power. A little bit more. A little bit more, you're still low. You don't need to land right on the last light here. See the threshold up there past the lights?
I got it.
Okay. Try to look as far down the runway as you can. Very nice, very nice. Get your nose down. Get your nose down a little bit.
Yeah.
We want to climb at 80. Good, very nice.